Kubuntu is one of those Linux distributions that quietly earns a loyal following because it focuses on delivering a polished desktop experience without unnecessary complications. Built on the strong foundation of Ubuntu while using the elegant KDE Plasma desktop environment instead of GNOME, Kubuntu combines stability, performance, flexibility, and ease of use into a single operating system. Whether you're a complete beginner coming from Windows, a longtime Linux enthusiast, or someone looking for a productive desktop that doesn't get in your way, Kubuntu offers a balanced experience that feels both modern and familiar. It is developed by the Kubuntu community with support from the wider Ubuntu ecosystem, meaning users benefit from Ubuntu's extensive software repositories, long-term support releases, and massive hardware compatibility while enjoying the rich customization and powerful features of KDE Plasma. One of the first things users notice after installing Kubuntu is how polished and professional the desktop looks. KDE Plasma has evolved dramatically over the years and is now recognized as one of the most visually appealing desktop environments in the Linux world. The default layout feels immediately comfortable for users transitioning from Windows because it includes a taskbar at the bottom, an application launcher, system tray icons, virtual desktops, and familiar window controls. This familiarity reduces the learning curve while still introducing users to the flexibility and power that Linux offers. Performance is another major strength of Kubuntu. Although KDE Plasma was once criticized for being resource-heavy many years ago, modern versions are surprisingly lightweight and efficient. The desktop launches quickly, consumes relatively little memory, and remains responsive even with multiple applications open. This makes Kubuntu suitable not only for high-end workstations but also for older computers that need a fresh operating system without sacrificing modern features. Users often find that older laptops become significantly more responsive after switching from Windows to Kubuntu, extending the useful life of their hardware. Customization is where Kubuntu truly shines. KDE Plasma provides one of the most configurable desktop environments ever created. Nearly every visual element can be adjusted according to personal preferences. Users can move panels, create multiple docks, change window themes, install custom icons, select different fonts, configure animations, and even redesign the entire desktop workflow without installing additional software. Unlike many operating systems that lock users into a predefined appearance, Kubuntu encourages personalization. Whether someone wants a desktop that resembles Windows 11, Mac OS, or something entirely unique, Plasma makes it possible with just a few clicks. Kubuntu also includes an impressive collection of KDE applications designed to work seamlessly together. Dolphin, the default file manager, is widely regarded as one of the best file managers available on any platform. It offers split views, tabbed browsing, integrated terminal support, advanced search features, network browsing, and highly customizable layouts. Kate provides a powerful text editor suitable for both casual note-taking and software development. Ocular is a feature-rich document viewer supporting PDF files, ebooks, comics, and technical documentation with annotation capabilities. GwenView offers fast and efficient image viewing, while Konsole provides one of the most advanced terminal emulators available for Linux users. Software installation is straightforward thanks to Ubuntu's package management system. Users can install applications through graphical software centers or by using command line tools such as apt. Thousands of applications are available directly from official repositories, including Office suites, programming tools, multimedia software, games, and creative applications. Kubuntu also supports snap packages, Flatpak applications, if configured, and app images. giving users access to virtually every major Linux application. Popular software such as Firefox, LibreOffice, UBLC, GIMP Blender, Visual Studio Code, Steam, Discord, and many others can be installed within minutes. Security remains one of Kubuntu's strongest advantages. Like Ubuntu, Kubuntu benefits from frequent security updates and a well-maintained software ecosystem. Linux permissions prevent ordinary applications from making system-wide changes without user approval, reducing the risk of malware infections. The open-source nature of the operating system allows developers worldwide to inspect, improve, and secure the code continuously. While no operating system is completely immune to security threats, Kubuntu provides a robust environment that requires far less maintenance compared to many proprietary operating systems. Developers particularly appreciate Kubuntu because it provides a complete development environment out of the box. Programming languages, compilers, container technologies, virtualization software, Git, Docker, Kubernetes tools, and integrated development environments are all readily available. KDE's advanced terminal, combined with Ubuntu's enormous package repositories, makes software development efficient and enjoyable. Web developers, data scientists, cloud engineers, and system administrators can all build productive workflows without fighting the operating system. Gaming on Kubuntu has improved dramatically thanks to Proton, SteamPlay, Vulkan graphics, and constant improvements in Linux gaming support. Thousands of Windows games now run exceptionally well through compatibility layers, while native Linux titles continue to grow in number. Graphics drivers for NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel are easily installed, ensuring good performance across a wide range of hardware. Gamers who previously believed Linux was unsuitable for entertainment are often surprised by how capable Kubuntu has become. Another area where Kubuntu excels is multitasking. KDE Plasma includes virtual desktops, activities, window tiling, advanced keyboard shortcuts, configurable window rules, and highly flexible panel management. Users working with multiple monitors benefit from excellent display management and customization options. Professionals handling programming, graphic design, video editing, research, or office productivity can organize their workspace exactly as needed without relying on third-party utilities. The release cycle follows Ubuntu's schedule, meaning users can choose between regular releases featuring newer software or long-term support versions designed for maximum stability. LTS releases receive updates for several years, making them ideal for businesses, educational institutions, and users who value reliability over cutting-edge features. Those who prefer the latest KDE Plasma improvements can choose interim releases that provide newer desktop technologies while still benefiting from Ubuntu's solid infrastructure. Community support represents another significant advantage, because Kubuntu shares its foundation with Ubuntu while using KDE Plasma. Users have access to two enormous communities, countless tutorials, discussion forums, documentation pages, YouTube channels, and community-driven guides make troubleshooting simple. Whether solving driver issues, learning Linux commands, customizing Plasma, or installing specialized software, chances are someone has already documented the solution. For users migrating from Windows, Kubuntu provides an especially smooth transition. Familiar desktop layouts reduce confusion, common keyboard shortcuts continue to work, and popular applications have Linux equivalents or native versions. LibreOffice handles Microsoft Office documents effectively. Firefox and Chromium provide modern web browsing, and cloud services integrate easily. File management feels intuitive, while system updates occur without disruptive forced reboots that interrupt productivity. Ultimately, Kubuntu represents an excellent balance between simplicity and power. Beginners can install it and immediately begin browsing the web, creating documents, watching videos, or managing daily tasks without needing advanced Linux knowledge. At the same time, experienced users can unlock extensive customization, scripting, automation, development tools, and system configuration options that few operating systems can match. This unique combination is what makes Kubuntu so compelling. It respects user choice, delivers outstanding performance, offers remarkable flexibility, and builds upon Ubuntu's trusted foundation while showcasing the elegance and capabilities of KDE Plasma. For anyone searching for a Linux distribution that feels polished, efficient, customizable, secure, and enjoyable to use every single day, Kubuntu stands as one of the strongest choices available and remains one of the finest examples of how open-source software can deliver a truly world-class Kafklabs computing all-classed, klaklast, pladatblau I plad plast, wend a plout sabla and liak and blend clans and I and up and at by put when pot will it had up at that act at that bit at act above where with act bunify with a moist I back you gak biscat the work I will back both the above back west sack there fun and folks that cock that wolf that's the last